Looking for the perfect watch to match your lifestyle? Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a corporate professional, or an adventurous globetrotter, your ideal timepiece awaits. In this guide, we've rounded up the best men's watches that blend style, functionality, and durability for every walk of life. From sleek dress watches to rugged outdoor companions, we've got something for everyone. Check out the product links in the description to explore your next statement piece. Michael Kors Oversized Slim Runway Men's Watch. Step up your style game with the Michael Kors Oversized Slim Runway Men's Watch, a statement piece that exudes elegance and confidence. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this watch is not just a timepiece but a bold fashion accessory. Its oversized slim design strikes the perfect balance between modern sophistication and timeless appeal, making it a versatile choice for any occasion, from casual outings to formal events. The sleek monochrome finish adds a touch of minimalism, while the precision quartz movement ensures accuracy and reliability. The watch features a bold dial with clean markers, reflecting a refined aesthetic that pairs effortlessly with any outfit. Whether you're looking to elevate your own wardrobe or find the perfect gift for a special man in your life, the Michael Kors Oversized Slim Runway Men's Watch is a testament to impeccable craftsmanship and luxurious style. Timex Men's Expedition Scout. Adventure awaits with the Timex Men's Expedition Scout 40mm watch, the ultimate companion for the modern explorer. This rugged yet refined timepiece combines outdoor durability with everyday versatility, making it perfect for both your wildest adventures and daily pursuits. The 40mm case features a classic military-inspired design, complete with an easy-to-read dial and bold Arabic numerals. An Indiglo backlight ensures visibility in any lighting, while the durable leather strap and water resistance up to 50 meters mean this watch can handle the elements with ease. Powered by reliable quartz movement, the Expedition Scout delivers precision and style in one. Whether you're hiking the trails, navigating city streets, or simply embracing a casual, outdoorsy vibe, this watch is ready to keep up. With the Timex Expedition Scout, you're not just keeping time, you're seizing the moment. Rugged, timeless, and reliable, just like you. Fossil Nate Men's Watch. Make a bold statement with the Fossil Nate Men's Watch, a perfect blend of rugged charm and modern sophistication. Featuring an oversized chronograph dial, this watch stands out with its bold design and functionality, ideal for the man who loves to leave an impression. The Nate's multifunctional chronograph display not only looks striking but also keeps you on top of your schedule with precision timing. Choose between a durable stainless steel band for a sleek, industrial look or a premium leather strap for a touch of vintage appeal. The oversized dial, detailed with bold markers and a streamlined design, ensures effortless readability and adds a contemporary edge to any outfit. Perfect for casual outings, formal events, or adventurous weekends, the Fossil Nate is more than just a watch, it's a versatile statement piece for every occasion. Rugged yet refined, this timepiece is built for the bold. Waterproof Chronograph Quartz Watch. Elevate your style with the Golden Hour Fashion Business Men's Watch, where timeless sophistication meets modern functionality. This sleek timepiece is designed for the man who values both fashion and performance. Featuring a polished stainless steel construction, this watch exudes durability and elegance, making it perfect for business meetings, formal events, or casual outings. The chronograph quartz movement ensures precise timekeeping, while the waterproof design lets you navigate through daily challenges with ease. An auto-date function adds convenience to your day, keeping you effortlessly on schedule. The bold yet refined dial showcases detailed markers and sub-dials, perfectly blending practicality with aesthetics. Whether you're closing deals in the boardroom or enjoying a night out, the Golden Hour watch is your ultimate accessory. With its perfect balance of luxury and versatility, this watch is more than a timepiece, it's a statement of success and confidence. Invicta Men's 12847 Specialty Blue. Dive into bold style with the Invicta Men's 12847 Specialty Blue Dial Blue Polyurethane Watch, a standout timepiece crafted for the modern man who dares to be different. The vibrant blue dial, paired with a rugged polyurethane strap, delivers a striking aesthetic that's as versatile as it is eye-catching. The watch features precision quartz movement, ensuring reliable timekeeping for every moment that matters. Its durable stainless steel case and bold design elements make it perfect for both active lifestyles and casual elegance. With water resistance up to 50 meters, this watch is ready for light swimming or unexpected splashes, while the easy-to-read markers and date display add everyday practicality. Whether you're making a statement at the gym, the office, or a weekend getaway, the Invicta 12847 combines durability, comfort, and a dash of daring style. It's not just a watch, it's an attitude. Your wrist deserves the best, and now you know which watch fits your lifestyle. Whether you're upgrading your collection or searching for the perfect gift, these watches are bound to impress. Don't wait to make your move, click the links in the description to shop your favorite picks today. Stay timeless, stay stylish.